Number two is partial dysgraphia. And partial dysgraphia has to do with, you know what, I don't even know the components of handwriting, but the components of handwriting has to do with neatness, alignment, spacing, sizing. So when you're working with a child handwriting and you're saying, oh, we just mark, you don't just mark. There are things you need to mark. And that has to do with the child's neatness while writing, the alignment, the letter sizing, the letter spacing. These are the things you mark when you're working with a child. So a child with partial dysgraphia might struggle with this thing. They will struggle with alignment. One part will be up, one part will be down. They're the one that will write and it will be slopey. They're the one that will write, one side will be big, one side will be tiny. They're the one that will write, and when they write, they're not noticing this thing. The writing will be neat. Okay, they're the one that will always clean for no reason. So how are you going to help children like this? So for this ones, you use lined sheets. Like the paper should be the book they're using should be a lined or structured one. So you teach them lines, you teach them spacing, you teach them alignment with ruler. Okay, and make sure that they don't copy too much note. Also, I for some that still struggle a lot, build their hand-to-eye coordination. So you can use Play-Doh, you can use beading, you can use coloring activities, tiny coloring activities that come with details. For example, this one that will come with numberings in between, like number 1 is red, number 2 is yellow, number 3 is blue. Those type of activities are little artwork that comes with details, like maybe you spread top bond on the paper and tell them to be fixing beads or fixing sharpened pencil, the shaft of pencil on the top bond to create a certain picture. These activities help promote or help improve the skill of a child with partial dysgraphia. Number 3 is dyslexic dysgraphia, and because you already know what dyslexia is, so you now understand why we did dyslexia first before any other one. So dyslexic dysgraphia are the children that struggled with copy work. This one struggle with putting down their thoughts on papers, and this will show with inconsistent spellings, like a spelling that they've written in one line correctly, the next line they're writing it incorrectly. And then they want to write F-O-N-E, phone, for P-H-O-N-E, phone. So these ones will write well when they are supervised, but will write rough when they are writing independently. So how do you have children like this? Spell check tools like Grammarly helps them doing assignment. So when they are doing assignment, their task should be tech-based. So we have high-tech and we have low-tech, but I would advise that you use high-tech. So use high-tech with them. So Grammarly will help them with checking. So their assignments should be more online based, like Kahoot quizzes and the rest of them. That are the type of assignment. That is where you should set assignments for children with dyslexic dysgraphia. Then practice more on high frequency words. Flashcards will be needed, color overlay, fill in the blanks, and the rest of it will help a child with dyslexic dysgraphia.